All right, we're gonna go over a couple of our 100K bricks real quick. I got a client on YouTube. He's looking to get a brick that holds 100K. This is what we call the 100K double stack. The bolts on this one go on top. Show you the inside. Of course, we mirror finish. This is a diamond pattern also. We have many, many options on what we do. This one holds 2 stacks of 50,000. It's got little slots at the bottom cut out if you want to throw some extra credit cards, an ID, or some gift cards or something inside. You can do that also. This one's fully polished. We have another one over here. Actually, here's a nice one. This one's also 100K capacity. This one's about 2.5 times heavier. I'll show you the inside in a second. That's the American Express design. Here is that same brick taken apart. Here's the inside, here's the top. I have one over here I can show you too. So this one's not polished up. This is just kind of it's back here as a sample brick. Each piece weighs about 20 pounds. Got some fake money in there. So this one, we put 3/4 inch bolts in this. This one's very heavy. Just this bottom piece is heavier than the first one I showed you. Basically, these two pieces go together. If you're looking for something that's watertight, we can outfit any of these with an O-ring so that it's watertight. Most people, it's really not a concern. Here's another 100K brick. This one looks like a pot. A plant goes in here. This bottom half is just like the first one I showed you with the diamonds on it. Holds 100K here, and this one's just disguised as a pot. So this one's pretty cool. These are not 100Ks. I just want to give you a couple examples of some of the designs we do. We do all kinds of designs. Actually, we have hundreds of different designs. We could do a brand, your favorite superhero, your name, whatever you want. These are not done yet, but I just want to show you an example of some more designs. These are 50K bricks. This is a skinny brick. So these two hold 50K. We have round ones also. I have not made a round one that holds 100,000 yet, but I certainly can do that for you if you want a nice showpiece. We do ashtrays also. This one's designed, this one holds gold coins. Let me see if I can even get that off of there. So this ashtray can be fitted to do either cash or gold coins. This one's set up for gold coins. I could easily make this one fit 100,000 cash also, no problem. So we got all kinds of stuff, finishes and things like that. So the main thing you need to know is crosshatch pattern or diamond. Those are two of our most popular ones. Then of course we can do spiral patterns as well. We can do mirror finished as well. And then we do machine finish also, which looks like this. It depends on what you can do with it. If you want a showpiece, you don't want this one. This is a machine finish, so basically we literally take it off the machine, wipe the soap off, or the coolant, excuse me, and it's done. These that are shiny have obviously been polished to a mirror finish. So I can do anything you want, and we can make custom patterns also. We just did a really cool one. Oh, here's another nice one. This one holds 75,000, plus it holds gold and silver coins. That one's real nice. This one's pretty light because it's got a large capacity. This one holds 25,000. Just some more designs to show you. That's the crosshatch pattern. So let me know which designs you like. Let's confirm the 100,000 is the size you want. And I can make them bigger too. I'm making one that holds $1 million right now. It's much, much larger. So let me know what you like and we'll talk soon.